What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode. I actually bought some wheels for the Eclipse. I just got some real cheap wheels just to kind of hold me over for a little while as I save up for something a little bit more legit. But yeah, so I found these wheels right here. So I found these wheels just on Facebook, on somebody local had them, and the good part about them is that they do clear the Brembos, and I kind of like the design, so I think I'm just going to end up setting up for wheels that are like the legit BBS wheels that these are supposed to replicate. But yeah, these are kind of beat up. They look a lot better on camera than they do in real life, but as you can see, this one I was just trying to hammer out over here because it had some bends in it, so that's why all the wood's over here, because I was using the wood as kind of something softer. So I was kind of hammering it, putting a piece of wood on there and then hammering the wood just to so I don't tear up the aluminum too much, and I think I got it pretty round, so hopefully these aren't like stupid bent and you can't use them at all, so whatever. Yeah, and then for the last wheel, so the two I already mounted my own tires on them because the guy before me had like rubber band tires on there for some reason. I guess that still wasn't low enough for him, so I think he was saying that he wanted to get even smaller tires, which these were let's see, what size are these? 215/35 on a 9.5 inch wheel, so they're like stupid stretched and there's literally no tire. That's probably why they're so beat up, because that's just what happens. So yeah, but for the ones on the car, I already mounted my own two on here. These are just the old tires that I had on the other wheels. So these kind of got a little bit more beef to them. These are 235/40/18. But yeah, so this is the fourth wheel right here, and it's actually got a crack right over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up right now, and then just weld it up, and then I'll be able to mount my tire and should be fine after that. But yeah, the surface on the finish on these is just not the best. I mean, it looks pretty good on camera for some reason. So yeah, and actually the good part about these is I thought they were just like completely no-name like eBay wheels, but I think they're actually made by Konig. I found a sticker on here when I pulled the tire off. Yeah, Konig. So that's kind of good. So I mean, at least they're not complete trash, but they actually came with some BBS center caps. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna run those. Probably won't run the BBS caps. Just maybe run some fake caps or something. So yeah, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning this wheel up right now, and then I'll weld it up, and should be ready to mount after that. So let's roll. Alright guys, so just cleaned it up, and the reason why I cut through with a hacksaw is just to try to get like the actual crack cleaned up, just get the like all the whatever crap is in there out of there. It's not really hard to weld this, it's not really hard to weld this closed. So I'd rather get it as clean as possible rather than having a smaller crack. So Yeah, so right now, what I'm gonna do next is just spray it down with some brake clean, wipe it off, and go ahead and get it welded up. Alright guys, so I just got it welded up. Here's what it looks like. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and grind it all smooth, file it down, make it look as smooth as I can, and then that's it. I'm just going to probably just put a little coat of spray paint on there or something and mount the tire. Alright guys, so I got the wheel cleaned up. It looks really good. The only thing I'm going to do right now is just go ahead and scuff it up a little bit, try to get some of the dirt off of it. I already cleaned it, so it wouldn't be horrible if I just spray painted it now, but I'm just going to scuff it up, hit it with a coat of spray paint, and load it up because I'm going to get the wheels mounted on them pretty soon here. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed watching it, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more car content. I'm sure gonna have more project cars and different stuff I'm gonna be doing in the future. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you next time.